Well, good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. Hey, I know everybody's excited. Looking at Bitcoin posting new all-time highs and Ethereum posting new all-time highs. It's a great day to be in the crypto space, investing in our futures. And, you know, the hype behind SHIB, and as we continue to follow that story and wait to see what's going to happen, we don't want to miss, okay, other opportunities that are right there in plain sight while we look at the overhyped and the saturated social media spin on the big ones. There are some hidden gems out there that we might want to take a look at. I'm over on CoinMarketCap, and the fastest moving coin right now is something called Kardena. Before I get into this, I want to make sure everybody understands that, okay, we've got to be always vigilant, always looking out there, always learning and looking for different opportunities. And this Kardena thing, when you see movement like what's going on with Loopring and Kardena here, you know, 180% in 7 days, 140% in 7 days. Hey, that means something. It's not just happening because of just some random coincidental accident. It's happening because somebody knows something. Okay, the numbers are talking. They're actually telling you, hey, look at me, look at me. So when we go over here to Kardena, I wanted to dig into this and see exactly what's going on. Okay, Kardena is sitting at $19.22. It's the number 59 ranked coin. It's sitting here with a market cap of about $3 billion. Hey, I seem to remember SHIB was sitting at about $2.9 billion, and before, and it was sitting at number 47, and it exploded when it went on the CoinMarketCap. You take a look at this graph over the last 7 days for Kardena. Look at that beautiful action going on here. At one point, it was up three times on your money in the last 7 days. And now it's sitting at about 18.5, and that's coming off of 7. So you know, you had an opportunity here to multiply your money 2 times over, okay, in the last 7 days. So looking at this, you can see it's the number 59 ranked coin in the crypto space. Not anything to sneeze at. So it demands that we take a look and see, you know, what is this? We can just get a little bit of an overview here on CoinMarketCap. Is a very good start. The thing I want you to pull out of this is that Kardena has the only scalable layer 1 proof of work blockchain along with PAC, the safest smart contract language, founded by Sir Lancelot and W.J. Martino, who we're going to talk about, who created J.P. Morgan's first blockchain and was the tech lead for SEC's first crypto committee. So these two gentlemen basically created the J.P. Morgan coin. Okay, so this is not some joke. This is folks that have some experience with blockchain technology. We want to dig in and see what this coin is all about. And when you go there, the first thing you see is it says, K, build for the future on Kardena. These guys understand that in order for a coin to become something serious, you have to be able to do something with it. It can't be, you know, this is not like the meme coins that they're trying to retrofit and slowly expose the architecture if they have any. This is built from the foundation for people to integrate this technology into their app, into their website. And you can see here they start boldly going over what it is. Build without compromise. Kardena makes blockchain work for everyone. Our ecosystem provides the security of Bitcoin, virtually free gas, unparalleled throughput, and smarter contracts. Plus, let's see, plug in, deploy, and scale. So plugins, deploy, and scale. Safe, smart contracts, no cost transactions, energy efficiency at scale, proven security. They're telling you right up front what their product is about. You click on this build tab here, you can see Build smarter with Pact. Pact is to Kardena as Solidity is to Ethereum, if you're familiar with that. So they're talking about the Pact language. Pact is our simple, safe, smart contract language, battle tested in production applications for over 2 years. Pact is fundamentally different from other languages because it is readable by non-developers and automatically detects bugs before they can be exploited. So if you look at that, that gives you insight. Yes, they can do. Yes, they are DeFi. Yes, they can do NFTs, interop, and multi protocol. So it's laid out here how to get started, how to start creating apps using Pact on the Kardena blockchain. Folks, I can stop right there because I have a theory that one day all of the top 20 cryptos in the crypto space will be cryptos that have a blockchain where the smart contract capability is available. I'm talking about Ethereum, I'm talking about Cardano, I'm talking about Clay TN, I'm talking about Sheeb, if they ever explore that layer 2 Shibarium. I'm talking about Tezos, I'm talking now about Kardena. So when you see Kardena down here at number 59, it's out of place. It's not where it's supposed to be. Let's go back over here. If you have all the same kind of capabilities as Ethereum, why are you not in the top 10? Maybe that's why it's moved so much in the last 7 days. Somebody just realized we got another contender down here that can't be ignored, and people are starting to jump on board. When I go back over here and I look at the stats for Kardena, and let's just look at the market here. It's not available on Coinbase. It's available on KuCoin, Bittrex, CoinEx, CoinMetro, and Who and Hotbit. Look, what happened to SHIB when it got listed on Coinbase? These folks are number 59 and they're not even on Coinbase. Oh, by the way, when SHIB was number 47, it wasn't on. It had just hit Coinbase, so it's set up there dormant for a couple of months before it shot up. First, it had one little shot back in the spring, and then it went dormant. And then right before it got on Coinbase, it shot again, and it caught, and everybody caught that October run. Could this Kardena be the next big thing? The next big thing. What do I mean by big thing? I mean the next bus. Okay, people keep missing the bus. Okay, if you're new to crypto, you may have missed the Bitcoin bus ride. You may have missed the Ethereum bus ride. You may have missed the Tezos bus ride. You may have missed the Sheeb bus ride, the Dogecoin bus ride. How many buses are you going to miss? Okay, the buses are running every single day. All you got to decide is where you want to go and catch the bus. All you got to do is like, subscribe, and share this information so that other people don't miss the bus. Here's another bus. Kardena is the next big thing. It's a smart contract blockchain platform that enables people to use Pact to build smarter applications that utilize blockchain technology for the movement of information and data. And they've got their KDA coin sitting there acting just like ETH does on the Ethereum platform. Hello, the bus is at the bus is right there. Here's your chance to get on the bus. It's number 59. It's not even on Coinbase yet. It's sitting there. What happens when this hits Coinbase? Okay, I think what we're going to have to do is another video. We're going to have to do another video talking about where they are with their efforts to get on Coinbase. It could be possible that it might be about to get on Coinbase and I don't even know it. So we're going to dig in. If you guys are interested in knowing more about Pact, if you're interested in knowing more about you know, when might they be on Coinbase or other dexes, please drop a comment in the comment section. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video about Kardena. and the fact that it could be the next big thing. Okay, platforms to utilize smart contracts on the blockchain. You know, it's a no-brainer. It's a slam dunk. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.